So we're going to try to put in some brake fluid. Number one, check for leaks, and number two, start bleeding. And what's kind of nice about having the fronts and rears separated is that just breaks the system in half and makes it a little bit easier to bleed. Having two separate systems where you don't have to like do the one that's farthest away, bleed that, and then work your way closer to the master cylinder. So I think we will start with the fronts and then the rears and go from there. So a couple places of concern are how these reservoirs are constructed. There almost looks like a visible seam around here. So I'm not sure if it's like welded or pressed fit or glued in, I don't know. But just want to see, make sure there's no leaking, at least from there, before I start pressurizing anything. So what we got here is we're trying to at least get some fluid into the master cylinder, so it's not taking any. So we'll push brake pedal, plug it with my finger, and there, it just drew in a bunch of fluid. We'll just keep adding fluid here. Try to get it full, because the system's brand new, never had brake fluid, so everything is completely dry. There we go. I think we have some fluid now. It's starting to build up pressure on my finger. I could feel it. Plug it. Oh yeah, I can feel it building pressure. There we go. Let it kind of flush out a little bit. Any gunk that might be in there, because it looks a little dirty. Towel underneath this thing. Don't get too big of a mess. I'll just kind of rinse and repeat until it's nice and clean, I guess. So there. Now we got fluid coming out of the master. There we go. So now we got some good, it's fairly clean. Plug it. So I think now I might do this one or two more times just to make sure we got some fluid in here. And that's nice and flushed. Yeah, the fluid's coming out clean now. There's a little bit of whatever inside. Plug it. Okay. So I think some of that air that's showing up right now is coming from the bleeder valve itself, the threads. I got a little bit of grease on there, but I still think it's bleeding through. Let it go for a second and then we'll just kind of shut it down. So I can manually shut it by twisting the tube. And right about there, I'll keep a vacuum on it. Snug it. And then keeping a vacuum on it, and I'll boost the vacuum, I'll kind of peel this so I don't drip any fluid anywhere, just like that. Cool. Okay, so we got everything filled, bled, and I'm going to pressurize things up and we're going to look for leaks. Let's see what we come across here. So, oh yeah, it builds crazy pressure quick. So we'll just kind of work our way around. Here. Got a connection down here. Here. That's unreal. So I'm pretty sure there aren't any leaks. We'll check it over the next couple hours. Constantly building up pressure, letting it sit and stuff, but it's pretty cool. First shot right out the gate, no leaks. So, but we'll continue to check it out and see how it goes. If I find any leaks, or if any leaks manifest themselves, then I'll probably whip out the camera again and we'll go through it again. But so far so good. Peace out. We'll catch you guys on the next one.